Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to install dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your keyboard is connected with your PC. Next, go to the file manager, and here we've got CD drive DarkBeacon installer. Select setup. Tap next, next, and now wait until installation process is finished. Tap next, and then finish. The app is now installed, and your keyboard will be automatically recognized by the app. Now log in to your account. Use your email and password to log in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.